Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a continent. Now this is going to be really fast, so just bear with me, okay? You're going to need the water here, 2 waters to create a lake, and then another lake which creates an ocean, and then another ocean. You put the earth on top of the ocean here and you get an island. Now once you get the island here, I want you to go again with the earth here, and there you go, there's the continent right there. So that's how quick and easy it is. So I've been playing this game for quite some time now, and so far it doesn't really seem to have like a sort of like a limit on what you could do and achieve in these things. And my friends actually tried to exhaust this platform, but to have no avail. So that's just it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.